First question, Ashoka converted to which religion after the Kalinga War? Ashoka converted to Buddhism after Kalinga War. The Kalinga War was a conflict between the Maurya Empire under Ashoka in the state of Kalinga during 262 to 261 before Christ. Option B is the right answer. Ashoka converted to Buddhism after the Kalinga War. Second question, Chandragupta Maurya was an ardent follower of. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Maurya dynasty or empire. He succeeded in conquering most of the Indian subcontinent. With his accession to the throne, Jainism assumed a new phase in the Indian history. So option B is the right answer. Chandragupta Maurya was an ardent follower of Jainism. Third question, Chanakya was the chief advisor of. Chanakya was an Indian teacher, philosopher, economist, jurist, and royal advisor. He is traditionally identified as Kautilya or Vishnugupta, who authored the ancient Indian political treatise, the Arthashastra, and he was the chief advisor of Chandragupta Maurya. So option B is the right answer. Chanakya was the chief advisor of Chandragupta Maurya. Next question, what is the name of the preaching mudra or gesture in which the Buddha is depicted delivering his first sermon in the Gandhara sculptures? In Buddhism, Dharmachakra mudra expresses the continuous energy symbolized by a wheel or chakra of the cosmic order. This mudra is associated with Buddha's first sermon or teaching. So option B is the right answer, Dharmachakra. Fifth question, Chandragupta Maurya was born in Patliputra, which is now in. The Mauryas, with the rise of Maurya Empire during 321 before Christ to 185 before Common Era, Patna, then called Patliputra, became the seat of power, a nerve center of the Indian subcontinent. So option D is the right answer. Chandragupta Maurya was born in Patliputra, which is currently identified as Patna, which is now in Bihar. Ghatotkach, who ruled in the year 290 to 305 before Christ, was a king from which dynasty? King Ghatotkach Gupta was the second ruler of the Gupta dynasty. He ruled from 280 Anno Domini to 319 Anno Domini. King Ghatotkach was a pre-imperial king of northern India. He was the son of Maharaja Sri Gupta, the founder of Gupta dynasty. Option A is the right answer. King Ghatotkach was a king of Gupta dynasty. Seventh question, Indus Valley civilization was an age of dash civilization. The Indus Valley civilization, IVC, or Harappa civilization, was a Bronze Age civilization during 3300 to 1300 before Common Era, mature period 2600 to 1900 before Common Era, mainly in the northwestern region of South Asia, extending from what today is northeast Afghanistan to Pakistan and northwest India. So option D is the right answer. Indus Valley civilization was Bronze Age civilization. Next question, which among the following games was very popular in ancient India? In ancient India, chess was very popular game which is originated in India around 515 Common Era. So we can say chess was very popular game in ancient India. So option A is the right answer. Ninth question, Ashoka the Great 273-232 before Christ was the ruler of which dynasty? Ashoka or Ashoka the Great was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty who ruled almost all of the Indian subcontinent from 268 to 232 before current era. So from explanation we can say that Option C is the right answer. Ashoka the Great was the ruler of Maurya dynasty. Next question. The first Buddhist council was held at. The first Buddhist council was held at Rajgriha in 483 before Christ under chairmanship of Mahakashapa and patronage of King Ajatashatru. So option B is the right answer. The first Buddhist council was held at Rajgriha.